which angles we need to call our attention to. So we want this angle and this angle. And the line that they have in common that they both touch is right here. So this is our transversal. And we want to identify what type of angles they are. Are they alternate interior, alternate exterior, corresponding, consecutive interior? Yes. All right. So we identify that. Then we can go to our graphic organizer if we don't have those relationships memorized. So we go to alternate interior angles, we lift up the little flap, and what numeric relationship do they have? Do they add to 180 or are they the same? They are the same. And so we're going to write an equation that would say that. So x plus 15 equals 2x minus 30. And then, of course, we're going to solve. So subtract x. Oh, I think somebody already had it. Yep. So x is 45. So if the problem says find x, we're done. If the problem says find the angle measures, what would we do to find this top angle here? What would we have to do if that's what it asked us? What is it? Yeah. Oh, that's not what you said at first. Well, maybe I heard somebody else. We'd have to substitute it back in. Okay? We'd have to substitute it back in if we had to, if it asked us to. So if we did that, 45 plus 15, 60 degrees. What would this angle down here have to be? 60, because didn't we just say they had to be equal? Consecutive interior, yep. So consecutive interior. So we can go to our, and here's our transversal. We can go to our little graphic organizer and go to consecutive interior, open up the flap because we do have parallel lines because of these arrows that are listed on our diagram. So do they add to 180 or are they the same? Well, look at your graphic organizer if you're not sure. What does it say? Add to 180. Okay. The other way that you can tell is you can tell that this is definitely an obtuse angle, even though it's not drawn to scale. And this one's acute. So if you got an obtuse and acute angle, they're not going to be the same, and your only other option is 180. All right, so we're going to set up an equation that's equal to 180. 3x minus 44 plus x minus 24 is 180 degrees. And then we're going to solve. So collect your like terms. Minus 68. So we add 68 to both sides of the equals. $62. There. And if I look on my graphic organizer, alternate exterior angles numerically are going to be equal to each other. They are congruent. Get all the x's on the same side of the equals. And all the regular numbers on the other side. So I'm going to add 27. 54. Good. And if we had to find an actual angle measurement, we'd have to put this back in, depending upon what the question was asking. Okay, we are going to stop here. I have lots of papers to hand back to you. You're going to work on your crossword puzzle with your neighbor. If you finish that, you can always work on your new cumulative review. We've got about 15-ish, 20 minutes to work, not sit and talk and shoot the breeze, right?